Hi all, this is Mohit Tyagi. We are keeping the sequels interview series continue. So today we will discuss another SQL problem. In this problem, we have two field category and brand, and we need to replace the null value with the prior available value. So in the category field, we have first value car, right? And then we have next three value as null. So we need to replace the null value with the car. Same for the bike. We need to replace the null value with the last available value, right? So this is the desired output. This is what we want. Okay, so let's discuss first how we will achieve this. So in the first select query, we will use the window function row number, right? So that we will get this R num, right? Once we will get this, now we will use this output further, right? So we will wrap this all output within the CTE. Then we will use this output further in the second CTE so that we can get another field, right? So that field, we will have the value based on the category, right? In the category, we have only two value, right? So based on that, we will get that number. Then we will use the first value. What it does, it replaces the null value with the prior available value so that we will have the car and bike respectively, right? So let's move to the SQL part now. So in the SQL, we have this table. So we will perform our query within that. So let's use select star row number. So why we are using row number? So that we will have another field which will give us the respective number, right? Over order by select null as rnum from details, right? If I will run this, so we will get that another field, right? So based on that, we can identify each and every record, right? Now we will wrap this whole code within the CTE table, right? So that we can use this output further, right? Now let's add another field which will give us a value based on the category, right? Select count of category. And before that, let me add the star also so that we can see all the fields. Over order by rnum as count from CTE. If I run this query, so I will get another field, right? So this is the count field, right? So that is created based on the category value. So these first four value is having count value null, and the fifth, sixth, and seventh we have the second count, right? So we need to use the select query also inside the CTE. So we will not use the with again. CTE to as and wrap this whole inside the bracket. And here we will use the comma. So what we are doing, so this is our first CTE. This is our second CTE, right? Now we will use select query, select first value category, because we want a first value inside the category, right? Over partition by count order by Arnhem as category, brand from CTE2, right? If I run this whole query, so I will get this output, right? So this is our desired output, which actually we want. So what we are doing here, so this is the first CTE, this is the second CTE, and then we are using the first value for the category field. And inside the partition by, we are using count, because count is giving us the value 1 and 2 based on the category, and order by Arnhem. Arnhem is nothing but a value with respect to each record, which is category, and we are also adding brand from CTE table, right? So that's how we will get this output. So that's all for this session. Thank you so much for watching this video.